So, Joe, it's been a challenging past 12 months or 20 months maybe for the Middle East with the fall in oil prices and the structural reform programs. Before we get into the details of the energy sector and the outlook for energy, what's the GE view, or what is your view of the Middle East market, you know, the business environment and where we are at the start of 2017?
Look, I think despite the challenges in the market, the Middle East is always an area that's of great interest for GE. We've had long-time relationships, partnerships here in the region. And I think historically, as you look at the cycles, the region tends to invest and invest long, even in the downturns that occur. So, our strategy is to really stay close to our customers during those times, and I think the 2016 proved that, and we look forward to the same in 2017.
GE's in it for the long haul.
Absolutely.
Excellent. And what about GE itself then? What have been, over the past 12 months, you've recently signed some quite big contracts, which please tell us about them, but what have been the highlights for GE over the past 12 months?
I'll start. 2016 was a couple big firsts for us. The first was obviously the largest industrial acquisition that the company's ever made. So integrating Alstom into GE was a huge accomplishment for us, and something that we're very excited about because it brought a lot of capability into GE that we can offer our customers. So adding in a lot of steam capability, and then also total plant solutions that we're now able to provide our customers. So that's been a great.
And what does that mean in the Middle East? So Alstom obviously is a big name out here as well.
Right.
What does that mean in terms of your offering and your footprint?
So like everywhere, every country has a fuel mix that they look at. So you're able to now look at gas-based thermal steam plants as well. So traditionally, GE was much more focused on the combined cycle plant, and now with the Alstom offering, there's quite a bit to do around large steam.
Okay, and other contracts, other deals,
yeah.
What else has been going on?
The other initiative I would say GE's taken over the last year are what we call our digital transformation to an industrial digital company. And here in the region, in particular, a couple of firsts that we had around our digital, offering our customers solutions focused on desalination is one. We've also worked closely with customers around some of our industrial applications in oil and gas, and LNG applications. Also, our digitization optimization center in Saudi Arabia, where we're putting all of their assets into a digital center that they're able to monitor. As far as new contracts, most recently at the end of the year, we had the announcement for Alba, which was our first H-class.
So Alba is Aluminium Bahrain.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it's our first H-class in the Gulf.
H-class, that's the latest sort of generation of gas turbine. That's
correct. So
ultra efficient.
It is the world's most efficient. So it's at 62% efficiency. And that was the first in the Gulf, and it was also a first in an aluminum smelter, which is very important.